If you want to travel on a budget, then first off, you need to pray. As in literally, pray. P-R-A-Y. Because for me, pray stands for P. Plan your itinerary carefully. Make sure all your desired landmarks will be visited according to your budget. R is for research. All the important details of the place you're going to, know the routes, pros and cons, or even watch blogs like this. A stands for you have to arrange your bookings, travel requirements, documents ahead of time. Maximum of 6 months before your travel date will be necessary. And lastly, think traveling as rewarding yourself. So that's P-R-A-Y. Because you deserve to explore places you've never been and take a break from all your endeavors, be it school, work, play, business, or even love life. Like what we did before we traveled to Dubai, we researched all the possible airlines that we can take. Like we bumped into Emirates in Etihad. So Emirates, it's quite pricey. So we end up going like getting Etihad tickets because it's only like $800 compared to Emirates, which is a bit pricey. So we save a lot. The original price will take you like 1,200 to 1,400 USD. So that's a big savings indeed. And likewise with your hotel accommodation, with our hotel accommodation, we research on these travel websites like Agoda, Booking.com, also with Klook for your attractions. So those are a bunch of tips already based on our experience, and I hope this will help you on your next travel adventure. And here are the highlights of Dubai trip 2022. First ako sa pancake ang kuna. Souk. Kaya ngayon puntahan natin. Ito, they don't mind kung mag-faces sa mga malls. I don't know kung kailangan. So, gold ang kanuha natin. Kita naman na hindi ko pinipil. 95. Tingnan natin kung ano yung lang ginagawa pa ni Kuya. Magsi-silver glass. Also, maskless na para dito. They don't mind kung magmask ka man o hindi, pero karamihan din na nagmamask, kaya hindi na rin kami nagmamask. Siguro mamaya pag nasa mga close spaces sa mga malls, romantic big. Kala ko romantic baboy, romantic baka. Yun nga kasi hindi pwede yung romantic baboy sa romantic baka. Kasi bawal ang baboy dito. Masagasaan. Yan. Nakakaaliw yung romantic baka. Train station. Bibili tayo ng train pass. We need to secure a unlimited pass, so that's golden or silver. So
pinipiliin natin yung golden para nakakaupo daw. At hindi masyadong tao kasi yun yung kinukuha ng mga tourists. Information kung magsi-silver glass cup, ang pamasahe papuntang Gold Souk is 40 pesos. Naka-gold tayo times 2 lagi. So 80 pesos yung pamasahe. So, Grand Souk Gera, ngayon puntahan natin. Actually dito na tayo. Tawag sila ng tawag. Walang napis na po. Tawag-tawag pero hindi natin sila papansinin kasi namilit sila. Yun yung umausap yung mga ano, yun yung mga amoy. Oo, alam na nila, no? Halatang halata na. Ayun nga, hindi na kasi tinitingnan. Kaya mas maiging na naka-shades na para walang eye contact. Pero may aircon. Ayan, galing na suot sa'yo. Dito naman yung mga garments. Parang ito yung mga nakikita ko sa Divisoria na mga apparel, mga bultuhan pero mga cheap clothing, hindi branded, mura-mores, mumores, of course, mga andito. Karugtong lang ng spice soup. Some garment soup na tayo. So yeah, decoration. Ganda na mga lanterns. Lanterns galore. Thanks ko yung mamimilit na naman. Pero dun sa kabila, paano yung ganito? Yung mga lanterns. Aga pa kasi. Ayan na. Ayan na po ang init. Ramdam na. It's 8:55. Medyo masakit na sa balat. May mga pulubiri pala rito. Ayan. Window shopping tayo ng gold.
After our visit to the souk market, we decided to went to Carrefour where we buy some pasalubong for our loved ones back in the Philippines. So Carrefour is the place to be for your pasalubong goodies. Tara na! After the pasalubong shopping, we headed back to the hotel and next, night market.
Ang saya dito mga KaBSala. Dito lang yan sa harap ng aming hotel. Merong night market. Pero obviously, ang daming Pinoy. Ang dami rin pwedeng kainan. Para siyang bancheta. Diba? Parang nasa Pinas ka pa rin. Hindi naman nagbibenta rin ng logo o nasa Dubai pa ako sa Pilipinas pa rin. Puro ano siya na Pilipino po. Got our first shawarma here in Dubai. So, titikman na natin ang isang authentic na shawarma. Actually, pinipilahan yung ano na yun. Hindi ko nakuha yung pangalan. Basta shawarma, pumila na ako kagad. Again, sa harap ng aming hotel, mayroong lapas batchoy. Pero syempre hindi tayo nakakain ng lapas batchoy. Nakakatawa lang para wala ako sa Dubai. Nasa Pilipinas pa rin ako. So, since today is Friday and weekend, sabi alas 12 daw sila nagsasara. Hindi na, ito ako pagupay. Puntahan natin yung mga pagupay na.
Hi madam, welcome to Myanmar.
Ayun din, okay din. Gusto ko tumingin. Pero yung Juice World famous dito kaya lang under construction. Parang hindi siya enticing pumasok. So tatawid tayo dun sa night market. Night market, here we are. Kanina doon ako galing. Parang sobrang hindi ko na feel na nasa Dubai ako. Puro Pilipino yun nandun. Sa 10 p.m. here in Dubai and nakakatuwa lang kasi sa baba lang to ng aming hotel. Yan, makikita nyo sa likod ko, napakalaki na kanilang screen. It's a projector, then pinoproject lang nila yung ano, yung kinakanta nila, like that. Diba, ang galing talaga ng Pilipino para
pita bread yung wrap, hindi yung the usual. Tapos, yan. Kita naman na hindi po tinipid. Yan. Sa halagang 5 dirhams. Magkano? 95. 75 pesos. Nga lang, hindi siya buy one take one. Yung totoo talaga siyang chicken, hindi TBP. Basta lang ito. Sarap. And there you have it, KaBSala. This is the end of our second episode, Dubai trip 2022. For the next episode, you will be seeing Dubai frame, Dubai Museum, and we will going to Dubai Mall also, and checking the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. So to those who are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. Also do share para lumago naman yung ating channel. So again, thank you so much. This is the end of the second episode. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye!